Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Prometheus exporters for Kubernetes nodes, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have a working Kubernetes cluster. Use kubectl to access your cluster from your command line interface. Verify your current context with kubectl config current context. Ensure that you have Helm installed on your local environment. Add the Prometheus community Helm repository with the command Helm repo add Prometheus community https://prometheus-community.github.io/helm-charts . Update your local Helm chart repository with Helm repo update. Create a namespace for monitoring tools using kubectl create namespace monitoring. Install the Prometheus operator by executing Helm install Prometheus community/kuba Prometheus stack and monitoring. Wait for the installation to complete by checking the status with kubectl get pods and monitoring. Once installed, verify that the Kuba Prometheus stack services are running correctly. Next, install the node exporter by creating a new Helm release. Use the command Helm install node exporter Prometheus community/Prometheus node exporter and monitoring. Set the appropriate configurations for your node exporter within your values.yaml file. You can configure the service type, container port, and other parameters as per your requirements. With your values.yaml file ready, deploy the configurations using Helm install node exporter Prometheus community/Prometheus node exporter f-values.yaml and monitoring. Check the deployment status with kubectl get pods and monitoring. Access the metrics provided by the node exporter by port forwarding to the service. Run kubectl port forward service /node exporter 9100:80 and monitoring. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost 9100/metrics to see the metrics collected. Integrate your Prometheus configuration to scrape metrics from the node exporter by modifying your prometheus.yml config. Add a scrape config block for the node exporters. Ensure that the targets are set to your Kubernetes nodes. Save your changes and apply the updated configuration to your Prometheus instance. Monitor the Prometheus UI by port forwarding the Prometheus service with kubectl port forward service /Prometheus kuba Prometheus 9090 and monitoring. Navigate to http://localhost 9090 in your web browser. You can now visualize and query the data collected from your Kubernetes nodes. For further verification, ensure that the targets are up and showing metrics in the Prometheus UI. Utilize Grafana for a more advanced visualization by installing it via Helm using Helm install Grafana and monitoring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.